Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Etisalat SIM card online in 2026. So in case you want to permanently close your mobile line, you just have to simply follow these steps. So first of all, open your Etisalat UAE application on your phone. Then you just have to tap on the login option and log in here with the help of your mobile phone, and you can also log in with the help of the UAE pass and your username and password. So once you are inside, you just have to simply tap on the mobile number that you want to cancel. So you need to access the settings and then simply look for the option of the cancel line option or close account or deactivate SIM. Now, before proceeding, you just have to review any warnings about the remaining balance or the active plans or the contract obligations. Etisalat will ask for the confirmation to avoid any accidental cancellation. When you click on that cancel option, you may be asked to verify your identity using the OTP or the facial verification. So after submission, you will receive the confirmation once your SIM card and the mobile line are actively or officially cancelled. So if you face any kind of problem while doing it, you can anytime just contact to the customer support team. So on the home page you will find the contact us option, so you can contact to the customer support team via various different types of forms, like you can either send them an email address or you can directly call them, so they are going to help you in this regard. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.